Hey guys, my name is Jay, and I was just put in a situation where I had to insert rows in between 1,000 different values, and I just didn't know how to. So essentially the situation was, so let's say the criteria that you have is this. So essentially the situation was, I had to pretty much generate a list where I had duplications of each of these values in between each other. So it would look like class 1, class 2, class 3, and so forth. The approach that I wanted to do was insert a row in between every row and simply just use a formula to return the value right above. And you can see why this could be difficult if you have a very large volume of data. So I used my best friend Google. I was looking around to see how I would do this efficiently, and I really wasn't able to find an answer. So I had to go a very roundabout way of achieving this. Honestly, it looks pretty stupid from a third-party perspective, but if it works, it works. If there's a better method, feel free to provide that method within the comments below so that I can refer to it next time. The method that I wanted to use was I'm going to establish a criteria for every row so that I could insert rows in between every value. So I'm going to have true, false. So let's say we extend this down. Again, there is always going to be a better method to do this. So I have true, false. So just for better presentation, let's use this. So I have true, false, and essentially I'm going to get rid of all the false with a blank. And I'll go over why I do that. So now we have blanks in between all the values. Now I'm going to search. I'm going to use the find function, and I'm going to find special. And I'm going to select all the blanks and insert a row in between. Oh, I deleted the rows. Whoops. So now I have a row in between not all the values, but a lot of the values. This isn't exactly what I want. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to select this. Actually, I'm going to go all the way from here. Select this. And I'm going to replace all the empty values to false. Again, it looks stupid, but it works. And then I'm going to look for true and make them all empty. And then again, I'm going to look for blanks and I'm going to insert a row. Now, if you see, there is a space between every value, except the last one, obviously, because it was just not selected within our criteria. But now you realize that there is a space between every value that for me to work with. And essentially, I can do the formula here, 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 and for me to do this efficiently, I can simply select blanks, paste formulas, and it will give me the entire list of duplicates. And that's pretty much how I was able to insert rows in between all the values and generate a new list with duplicates in between every variable that I'm working with. I'm going to be uploading a lot of Excel tips and going to try to make an Excel course of my own. Really appreciate any support from this point on. I'm going to be investing time to make sure that a lot of people that are watching my videos will become Excel literate. Thank you.